Bonjour, Dumela, Shikumo, Muliwanji. Welcome everyone to UmojaHack Africa.
So I am so pleased to welcome all of you students from Algeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Chad, Cote d'Ivoire, the DRC, Egypt, Eswatini and Ethiopia, Ghana, Guinea, Kenya, Madagascar and Malawi, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, South Africa and Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, and of course, Zimbabwe. And today we're brought together, united by our excitement about data and our commitment to helping solve the problems that we see.
And really, the future of Africa starts here. It starts with you, it starts with your community, it starts with your university, it starts with your ecosystem, it starts with what you're about to accomplish here today with Zindi.
Data science is being applied in more companies and in more countries than ever before. It is shaping the lives of people all over the planet and creating new opportunities where none existed. I'm so excited to see it taking off in Africa, and I'm proud to help Zindi play a part in discovering new data science talent across the continent.
Seeing you guys coming in, stepping up to the challenge, and actually putting together solutions to help shape the future of this continent, I think honestly that is pretty amazing.
So with that, as we say at Zindi, keep learning, keep winning, and we will see you guys all next year.